The safe. These timeless machines are some of the toughest around. How do 21st century safes keep thieves out and even protect your valuables from a raging house fire? More than 500 super strong parts work together. The outer shell is a sandwich of ultra-tough steel and slabs of ground-up rock, fireproof to 650 degrees. 26 hardened steel bolts clamp the door deep into the sidewalls. And a lock with 1.2 million possible combinations gives easy access, if you know the code. The secret to what makes the safe so strong is the way engineers make its steel skin. In this 28,000 square meter Utah factory, the safes begin life as 9-ton rolls of coiled up steel. It's 5 times thicker than the steel used on car bodywork and incredibly tough. So how do workers wrestle this super strong steel into a precision-formed box? In this Utah factory, workers transform huge rolls of steel into perfectly formed safes. It's a mighty engineering challenge.
So this is the punch station. This cuts all of our holes and our corners out.
Thomas runs the line that turns thick steel plate into a precision-made box. In his line of work, speed is key.
This is the first part of the whole line, the whole system. Even with me having to stop for 10 minutes, it can cost the line 20, 30 minutes down the road.
A huge hydraulic press stamps the sheet of metal into a carefully designed pattern. A giant roller turns up the edges for added strength, before a robot folds the whole thing into a box. Thomas then welds the corners tight.
The only seam we have is on the one side here. You don't have a bunch of seams all over the place that can fail. This is going to be stronger than even having a weld on it because it's still connected all at one piece.
High-temperature robotic welders then attach the back plate. They melt the steel together to make the strongest possible join. Finally, workers grind off the excess metal from the welding. This leaves a super tough shell that's incredibly hard to break into. But a safe is only as strong as its weakest point, the door. So how do you make sure thieves can't simply force it open? The door on this safe has not just one bolt, but 26 toughened steel rods. They are even harder to cut through than the door. An intricate series of levers links the bolts together, so all 26 of them open and close at the turn of a wheel. To make sure this complex lock mechanism works properly, engineers install every piece by hand.
This is the spindle that opens up the safe. I'm going to assemble this before we mount it onto the safe.
Derek builds the sophisticated bolt mechanism. He must put together 94 intricate components in exactly the right order, and he's got to do it perfectly. Someone's valuables are at stake.
Just going to tighten this down so I can hold the pins in place. For the top and bottom pins, you have 4 on top and 4 on the bottom. Yeah, we're just trying to make them to where they're all about flush with the bolt guides. These are the biggest pins that we have. They're 1.5 inches rather than the 1 inch. So as you rotate the a hub on the outside. It moves all 26 pins into place.
Making sure that no one other than the owner can use this bolt mechanism is the next big challenge. To do that, the safe has a combination lock. This complex mechanical puzzle has over 1 million possible codes, but only one solution. The dial on the outside turns 3 notched brass wheels. Each correct number locks one of the wheels in place. Get all 3 numbers right, and the notches in the wheels form a gap. A bar now slots in and engages a lever that lifts the lock from the handle wheel. This releases the bolt mechanism so you can open the safe. This lock is incredibly hard to crack, but thieves aren't the safe's only enemy. It has to protect your valuables even if your house burns down. To do that, workers line the entire safe with heat-resistant sheetrock.
Basically, my job is to keep this steel box from turning into an oven.
TJ fits out the top-of-the-range safes. First, high-pressure water jets cut the board into a series of interlocking sheets. Then TJ puts this jigsaw puzzle together by hand.
The point is to get as much coverage as possible. Any gap is, a weak spot.
More layers mean more protection.
We've got 4 layers in the back. There's 3 in each side and the top.
Now this safe can keep its contents cool in a full-blown house fire for 2.5 hours. Finally, workers fit the shelves and inside lights. The safe is now ready to be the first and last line of defense in households all over the world. Thanks to clever design, this tough customer has brains as well as brawn. With more than 1.5 million burglaries in Europe every year, you never know when you might need one.